Today we are doing a video of how to make sodium hydroxide using homemade materials. Well, today I'm going to use electrolysis to produce sodium hydroxide. But firstly, we just need 2 pencils, sharpen them at both sides. I can't go inside and see because I won't be holding it for a long time. So the 2 pencils must touch the 9-volt battery. You can hold it, but it's quite inconvenient. And here you can see the battery producing electricity. Yeah, electricity. Here we have 500 milliliters of water. As you can see, 500 milliliters of water, and I put around 100 milliliters of sodium chloride, which is table salt. You want to use the fine salt or the table salt that contains sodium chloride. Yes. So what is happening here is when the sodium chloride dissolves into water, it becomes aqueous sodium chloride. But now we are exchanging the ions. No, we are breaking down the bonds of the sodium chloride. So sodium will react with the water to produce sodium hydroxide. And you can see from the bubbles, hydrogen gas is produced. So sodium hydroxide reacts with the water to produce sodium hydroxide. And now we have some hydrogen gas. And what happens to the chloride ion? It turns into chlorine, which forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas plus chlorine gas. Well, you can see from here, I'm trying to collect the chlorine gas, but it's not an efficient method. You can use a curved pencil to collect the chlorine gas. So this, after you decided to collect the chlorine gas, maybe this is how you should do it. You put your hand in it, you place it under the test tube, so there will be a vacuum so that the chlorine gas won't escape. But your hand will be filled with chlorine. It should be okay because this chlorine is not concentrated. So once after because chlorine is heavy, you fill the test tube up with chlorine. You move up with your hand together. For example, this is the head of it, and then this is the test tube, and then you make it up, and then you turn it over so that the chlorine gas is heavier. So I'm too lazy to hold a pencil, so the masking tape is optional and the test tube is optional. But because the chlorine smell is so strong, I decided to collect the chlorine, because this salt contains a lot of chlorine gas, chloride ion I mean. And then you can see this black stuff over here. This is from the pencil lead. I don't know why it keeps dropping, but maybe it's due to the gravity of this, due to the weight of this battery that's breaking. Oh shit. And you can see here there's a partial vacuum, so this water won't come out. Strange enough, look at this. We will learn pressure. Oh crap. Don't breathe this stuff, this is toxic. But you can touch it, but don't hold it for too long. If you breathe the chlorine gas, make sure you breathe it out. Don't inhale it. You know why? because the chlorine gas will react with the water in your lungs to produce hydrochloric acid. So it's kind of dangerous. But little amounts should be okay. But don't breathe in too much of this gas. Look at this. Some of them are hydrogen gas, so should be okay. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to watch more chemistry video. And oh yeah, if you want to test the water if it's alkaline or acidic, we have some litmus paper here. I have a red, you can see from here. I will take this one. I have a red, oh crap, the test tube came out again. Shit this. Okay, you can see there's a red litmus paper over here. Okay. Then I will take this. I put it in here. Let's see what happens. I hope the chlorine won't affect the litmus paper. I'll put it far away from the gas. Shit. I don't know why it isn't producing. Oh, you see the color change? I see it. Look, it's turning to blue. Although the chlorine is reacting with the litmus paper first, but there's more sodium hydroxide. The chlorine will at most turn it into a white paper. Don't put it too close, but don't put it like so far away, because they haven't exchanged ions over here. So you have to put it here, and then you see there's a blue color change. Don't touch this, it might be corrosive. Wait a minute. Over here, look at this. This is the chlorine bleach. It's turning white. Look. Ah shit, my hand is burning. Okay, don't do this stuff too much, and remember to wear gloves, but my hand is tough. Yeah. So remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.